Fire in the hole, let's cook a burger. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What we got going on for you today is we're going to make my version of an In-N-Out double animal style burger. But before we can do that, we're going to make the sauce for it. My sauce is slightly different from the sauce you get at the restaurant. I've never been to In-N-Out, so I don't really know. You know, I know what's in the sauce because I've seen the recipe, but I'm going to do my own sauce. I got about a tablespoon of mayonnaise, about a tablespoon of mustard. They don't, there's no restaurants for In-N-Out near me. The nearest one's in Colorado, and I'm in Florida, so I'll probably never get to go to one, so I'll have to make my own In-N-Out burger. So we got mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup. This is my sauce, my go-to burger sauce. Mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, some tiger sauce, which is really good stuff. It's a good hot sauce, a sweet hot sauce. So we're putting about a tablespoon of each of these ingredients in the container. And then I've also got some of this Wickles spicy red sandwich spread, which is some of my favorite stuff. It's a kind of a pickle relish, but with spicy red peppers. So I want a heaping tablespoon of that in there. We're going to mix that all together, and then we're going to put this in the refrigerator so it can cool down while we make our burgers. But that's my burger sauce. Isn't it beautiful? See, that's a nice sauce for burgers. That's my version of it. I'll put the original recipe for the In-N-Out burger sauce in the description. So stay tuned and let's make some burgers. Alright, the onions are nicely caramelized. We're going to get them off of there. Scoop them into a dish for later when we dress up the burger. Scrape off the griddle. Throw down with some more Sang stir-fry oil. Oh yeah. A lot of Sangs on this job. Lots of Sangs on this job. And scrape that griddle down like this. Throw down with some more Sangs. Then I've got a couple of patties, burger patties, that I made into little balls like that. Gonna drop them on there. And then I got my new Blackstone burger smasher that my daughter Sarah got me for my birthday. Gonna throw a piece of parchment paper down on that and smash that down. Making smash burgers. This makes them nice and round. You know, look at that. I think we can go a little further with that, actually. Smash it down a little further. There you go. Now what we got to do is put some mustard on there, because this is what they call animal style. So what we do is we take some yellow mustard and put it on the raw side of the beef, because we're going to flip that thing over and put some on the other side too after it's cooked a little bit. I won't make you watch that, should I? I don't know. There's a piece of onion over there getting toasty. My buns are over here getting slightly toasted up. Gonna let that burger cook a little bit, and I'm gonna flip it over. Need some more Sangs on there. Got to keep that grill well lubricated so that burger will fry. That's patty number one. We're gonna refer to that as patty number one. I love the smell of burgers in the morning, don't you? Let's let that cook a little bit more, get a nice crust on it. Then we'll flip it over. Some more Sangs, I think. I'm going to flip it and move it over here so I can do my second one. Think that's enough time? Or should we give it some more time? Let's let it cook a little bit more. I do like a rare burger. I know a lot of people don't. I don't know how they serve them at In-N-Out. I guess they cook them well the way they do at Five Guys. I've been to Five Guys and I've been to Shake Shack, and they're all excellent, but someday I want to go to In-N-Out. But until that time comes, I got to make my own. So I think it's getting pretty much cooked up, so let's flip that thing over. Get that off there. Flip it over. Yeah, it looks good. Get some more mustard on there. Just yellow mustard. We're going to get some cheese on there because it's double animal style, which means 2 patties, 2 cheese. We'll get some cheddar cheese on there. Let that get all melty. Clean off our griddle. Throw down some more Sang stir-fry oil. And get that second patty rocking. There she is. Let me get some parchment paper and my new burger smasher. Smash that puppy down. Sarah, thank you for the burger smasher. I love it. Someday maybe I'll get a Blackstone griddle to go with my Blackstone burger smasher. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see. So there's the second patty. We've got to throw some mustard on there to make it the animal style. We'll let that cook a little bit. The other one's getting almost done. Got to get him off of there. And as soon as that's done, we can put this double animal style burger together. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm ready to assemble this burger. I've got a toasted brioche bun. We've got some of our sauce right here. Our burger sauce. We're going to slather that on there. That's some good stuff right there. I bet that's better than what In-N-Out serves. Then we've got some pickles. And I've got my hot pickles that I made. I made these myself. Hot pickles. These are the best. Let me tell you what. They're better than anything they've got at In-N-Out. I guarantee it. All they put on theirs is like dill pickles. And they only put like 4. I'm going to put a bunch. Yeah, I like pickles. Got some pickles. Then we got some lettuce, of course. Oh, shoot. There goes my tomato. I'm going to have to go in the house and cut another tomato. I can't get that one. I can't save that one. There's a lettuce. That's enough lettuce for anybody. Let me go get another slice of tomato. I'll be right back. That beautiful tomato slid onto the ground. I had to go get another one. So there's my slice of tomato. Let me put the first patty down on there. A cheesy patty. Then on top of that goes the caramelized onions that we made. A layer of like caramelized onions between the 2 patties. Boy, don't that look good? Then comes the other patty. The other cheesy patty. And then some more of the sauce. Some more of the sauce on top. And then we top that off with the other part of the toasted brioche bun. Let me tell you what, I got to get down there and get a shot of that. And I'm going to go get a beer and we're going to take a taste of this puppy. So stay tuned. My double animal style burger is done. There's the Frosty Rootboy mug, star of the show. And here's today's beer. Lost Ghost Hazy Double IPA from the Graveyard series of Lost Coast breweries. This has got 8% alcohol, a double IPA. This is going to be the last of me. I'm having this bad puppy today. A double IPA hazy. Just what I like, Rob. Sorry. You know, I got to think of myself sometimes. I've had a Budweiser for you last week and it didn't work out, Butter. Did not work out. Look at the color of that beer. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at that. Compare that to that ugly Budweiser yellow. Let's take a sniff of that, Rob. You can smell the hops in that, Rob. 8% alcohol. It's going to knock me on my butt. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. It's delicious. One of the best beers I've ever had. Hey, let me get my burger over here. This is one epic burger, ladies and gentlemen. I got to tell you, I don't know how close this is to the double animal style from In-N-Out, but it's as close as I'll ever get. So I got to get this somehow up to my mouth and get a taste of that burger. Look at that thing. Would you like some of that? Mmm. Mmm. Wow. That's delicious. Let me tell you what. That's a great burger right there. Double animal style. Burger and a beer. Tell you what, babies, you know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. Come back next week. I think next week we're not going to cook anything. I think I want to have a chat with you guys. So I think next week we're going to have a chat, you and I. Just an intimate little tete-a-tete between me and about 100 people who actually watch my videos. Out of the over 10,600 people who subscribe to my channel, about 100 of you actually watch my videos. So we got to talk about that. Anyway, this burger is amazing. This beer is excellent. And that's it. That's my video, babies. I'll tell you what. In and out, double, animal style. Come back next week. We're not going to cook anything. We're just going to talk. I don't know if you like that or not, but my buddy Tom Jones made a video and he inspired me to make one myself. So we'll be back next week. We will drink a beer, but we're just going to have a little chat, okay? Meanwhile, I got to go finish this awesome burger. Okay, babies, we'll see you next week. Bye.